So we're going to put in the dual circuit disc master cylinder with the reservoir on top. Got the brake light switches, we got the spacers, and we got the master cylinder hardware. So this is threaded, and then we double nut it for extra strength. That's called the washers. Make sure to use anti-seize with this, and on these you want to use threaded compound. We like Teflon tape. If we're looking at the master cylinder itself, it has two outlets kind of angling at the bottom. That'll be for the brake light switches. You only need one. We supply two in case you have a brake light switch on your dash. If not, you're just going to wire one, and if one goes bad, then you can just hook it up to the other one. This one will go to the rear of the vehicle, this one will go to the left front, and this one will go to the right front. The other sides are going to be blocked unless you have a right-hand drive. Obviously everything else will change for right-hand drive. Let's get to assembling. So our front brake hoses are also a 3-piece hose, metric female here, -3 line, to a American adapter if we're running Willwoods, and a metric adapter if we're running a Ghia caliper. So for this application, it is a MPT, which is American. And if we're looking at a Willwood caliper, it has this handy dandy little sticker here that says fluid inlet. Let me get it there. So you just peel the sticker, and oh boy, no. There we go. Ta-da! And that'll screw right in there. We're going to use Teflon tape for the sealing. That is the only sealing point on the caliper that we're going to use, and it will connect to factory stand or our stands. Left and right, name of the caliper. So I have seen clients put it up here. No. Peel the sticker. That's not going to hold any brake pressure, the sticker, so it will come out. Let's do that. Let's do the install. I use a 7/16 pipe wrench, and 7/16 here, 7/16 here, the factory hard line. So here into this one there.